Most people get this wrong. They assume Kivo is just another payday advance or BNPL app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that Kivo is a multifunctional financial platform offering early wage access, flexible installment plans, and budgeting tools that help you manage short-term cash needs responsibly. Here's how Kivo works. First, it lets you access part of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This is perfect for emergencies, sudden bills, or urgent purchases. Second, eligible purchases can be split into manageable installments over a few weeks with predictable flat fees rather than traditional interest rates. That makes budgeting much simpler and keeps unexpected costs in check. Kivo also includes dashboards, reminders, and notifications to help you track spending and upcoming payments. These tools reduce the risk of late fees and encourage responsible usage. The downside, overuse can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can quickly add up, and relying too heavily on Kivo may hide deeper financial challenges. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or splits you can repay on time. 2. Enable notifications to stay on top of upcoming payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on Kivo. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or weak repayment habits could end up paying more than they save. In conclusion, Kivo in 2026 is a practical and convenient tool, but only if used responsibly. Track fees, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest reviews and smart financial tips.